Crude oil almost trading flat. It has started the week with a slight bullish note, but 72.6 levels again proving out to be a great resistance. We have discussed this many times in our daily updates that 72.6 is the level beyond which silver crude oil might try to move towards 73 plus levels. Now again, see, the day has started on a flat note. Previous candle was a red candle. Once it stays below 72 or 71.8 rather, it can try to move further down towards 71.6, 71. Now more of this detail we will see, and I will tell you which position you should take and what levels. Do watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do like, share and comment if you appreciate the effort. And yes, this is the first update for the day. The next update for crude oil will be released before the US session. Do not miss that as well. Let's first look at the hourly charts. Moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence and bullish. Right now, prices are trading sideways. You can see this. Now, on the downside, look at these candles here. Very strong support is seen at 71.6 levels, 71.7 levels. Multiple candles failing to go on the downside. Now, look at the movement. See, this was the tail. With this as tail, there was a stronger pullback. Since then, what has happened? Rise, retracement, higher highs, retracement, higher lows, higher highs are now higher lows, higher highs means certainly this time we can see it is staying above 72.6. More bullishness may prevail. Also, if you see the price is staying above 72.2, 72.3 levels, we can expect it to rise more from the current levels and it can continue to move towards 73 levels here. So one can buy here at 72.2, but with extreme caution because 72 levels should not be taken. You can put your stop losses there. And if any point of time you see the price is staying below 71.8, 71.6 zone, we have to go for a sell as well. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading bearish here. We can see it is giving good waves here. See, this was the first wave, second wave, third wave, and this wave has bottom at little far levels. So on the hourly chart, it appears it is still little scope for it to continue on the downside. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. We have to wait for it to either break below 71.8, 71.6 zone and then 71.4 levels, below which only we can say that the bears will take over, and then too it will try to trade in this zone. The highs at 73, the lows at 71, and with that as trading zone, we can see a little swings in oil. Stochastic has dropped vertically. MACD has crossed over at top. It is trading with divergence, suggestive that there is little bearishness from here, and it can try to retrace a little before bouncing back. So yes, as I said, it can. If you see it is staying below 71.8, 71.6 zone, we have to still be cautious and alert as long as 71, 70.6 levels are respected. The possibility of a reversal will be very high. So today, if it happens today, that's fine. Else it can try to bounce back in a couple of days from now. RSI is comfortable because see, downside is limited. Downside is there, but it is limited. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, on the 3-hour chart, there is a bullish crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. Good sign for the bulls here. Taking the support right now on the downside from 72, 71.8 zone. Only bearishness. See, as I said, we can expect it to yield higher lows, higher highs, and we can expect oil to trade in between this zone. So possibly for lower time frames to cool down a bit, it can try to move towards 71 levels, and from there a reversal or a rise can be expected. Also, one must note that on the upside, 72.6 is the level beyond which you can say little more bullishness is confirmed towards 73, and beyond 73 we can see it moving towards 74. Now 73, 74 is a zone which will confirm the direction of oil for further sessions, because beyond 74 is where the bulls will take over. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at the first wave, second wave, it is trying to converge, and if it crosses over we can see little drop. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 4, likewise on the 4-hour charts, one must note that higher lows are observed, higher highs are seen, and yes, as long as 71.4, 71.5 and 71 levels are not taken, do not treat oil as bearish. Yes, do not treat oil as bearish. It is trading in this bullish channel. It has also breached the previous highs here. Now we have to watch out how it behaves at around 72.6 levels. What is happening after the rise? It is just consolidating before it gives a breakout. A breakout can bring bullishness towards 73, 74 zone. Stochastic near to overbought zone. MACD, good waves here trying to converge. If it crosses over, the bears might try to take over, or it can try to retrace a bit. RSI comfortable here. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into the nitty gritties of the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy for today, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch starting in January 2024. Register yourself, love itself, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my signals channel on Telegram, and yes, my consultations package comes with a four weekly webinars as well, where we discuss and take your questions live. And yes, these consultations, one-to-one consultations with me, definitely can recover your investment in one single meeting itself. So do register for the consultations group if you find yourself stuck and if you need any consultation or guidance. And yes, now look at daily charts. And yes, all of these details are available on my platform www.forexfunda.com. Do not miss this. Do visit the platform. It is much more economical and charts, consultations, and community as well. Also, you can get the update through my free Telegram channel. And yes, my personal email and details Telegram is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. The lower lows are observed here. Now prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. And if you observe the 20 period moving average, it's also flattened a bit. It is right now sitting at 73. I will wait for the next candle. If it moves towards $73 levels, certainly little further bullishness can be expected from those levels. See too much of divergence, but yes, this is still a bearish sign. Also, if you notice here, see prices are trading in this bearish channel. The top of the channel somewhere here at around 75, 76, and in all probability it can try to hit the top of the channel once before it looks over to reverse. The stochastic back to overbought levels on the daily charts, and the MACD. Now this is important. MACD forming the double bottom, crossing over here, it still suggests that there is further bullishness in oil prices. It can try to reverse from the current levels. Now these levels are important. See, if you see the prices double top and double bottom are important, so prices might try to come towards the median. RSI comfortable. Thus, considering this for the day, if you see the oil staying about 72.2 levels, you can, those who want to risk a little, if you see the lower prices above 72.2, you can initiate a buying entry, but be cautious and alert. As long as 72.6 is not taken, we have to be watchful, as prices can reverse and trade bearish. It is still not a bullish, it is still not in bullish zone. But yes, if you see it is staying beyond 72.6, we can look forward to 73.2, 73.6, and 74 levels. Beyond 74, 75 is the next target. On the downside, if you see oil staying below 71.6, you can sell. But see, 71.6, 71.4 itself is a greater support zone. Below 71.4 is where the bears will kick in, and then we can look at 71, 70.6, 70, and 69.5 levels. But I still expect it to rise. Even if it tries to drop 71, 70.6 levels should not be taken any point of time, and from those levels a reversal can be expected. Take your trades. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries, and yes, do join the consultations group as well. Yes, visit my platform Forex Funda, or yes, you can get the updates through free Telegram channel as well. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session. Thank you.